So, beta, our today's discussion will be on the prehistory, some part of the prehistory. As we discussed yesterday, that prehistory is the period of the past before the invention of the script, right? So, prehistory is that period of the past which is related to, right? So, prehistory is the period of the past before invention of the script, right? Is the period of the past before invention of the script. So that is basically called the prehistory, right? Before invention of the script, right? So this period before invention of the script, or we can say the prehistory, can be divided into three broad categories, can be divided into three broad ages, right? So one age we can say, right? So so good morning, Chetna. So one age we can say that is the Stone Age, right? Stone Age. That is the Stone Age. And बेटा प्लीज माइक किसी का ऑन है ऑफ करो, right? And the second is you can say Bronze Age, right? And the third part of the prehistory that is called the Iron Age, right? Iron Age. So this way, Iron Age, right? So this way we can say that the prehistory can be divided into three broad categories, can be divided into three broad ages, right? So this is there about the prehistory, right? So it can be it can be divided into three broad ages, right? So as far as the storage is concerned, so first we will start with this, you can say Stone Age today, right? Because all these things are important. Right? So as far as the Stone Age is concerned, Stone Age is called the, you can say, Lithic Age, right? You know, Stone Age is called Lithic Age, Lithic, right? Litho means stone, right? So we can say that Stone Age, this age is called the Lithic Age, right? This age is called the Lithic Age. Lithic means related to stone, right? Lithic Age. So as far as this Lithic Age is concerned, this we can categorize this Lithic Age into further three broad categories, right? Further three broad categories, right? So one is called the, you can say, Paleolithic or Old Stone Age. First of all, let me say it, the Old Stone Age, right? So this is the one part, Old Stone Age, and after that there is, we can say, the Middle Stone Age, right? Middle Stone Age, that is there, right? So this is the Middle Stone Age, right? And after this Middle Stone Age, right, we can say that there is the, you can say, New Stone Age, right? New Stone Age. So it can be divided into these three broad categories, right? So as far as this, we can say, this Old Stone Age is concerned, right? This is called the Paleolithic Age, right? Paleolithic Age, right? Paleolithic Age. This is called the Paleolithic Age, right? And as far as the Middle Stone Age is concerned, right? So this age is called the Mesolithic Age, Mesolithic. This is called the Mesolithic Age, right? And as far as this, you can say, New Stone Age is concerned, this is called the, we can say, Neolithic Age, right? So this is called the Neolithic Age, right? So Neolithic age. So as far as this storage is concerned, it is divided into these three categories, right? We can say जो पत्थर युग है उसको हम तीन कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. पैलियोलिथिक मीन्स पुरातन पत्थर युग, मीसोलिथिक जो मध्य था, राइट? So मध्य and Neolithic is the you can say now पत्थर युग, right? So accordingly it is divided into these three broad categories, right? So first, we will, you can say, talk about this Paleolithic age today, right? So Paleolithic age, right? First, we will discuss about the Paleolithic age. So sometimes the questions are asked in the, you can say, state civil services examinations, and even the UPSC may also ask some questions from this area. Right. So as far as the Paleolithic age is concerned, Paleolithic age is further divided into three categories. Right. So the three categories in which we divide the Paleolithic age. Right. So that is called, you can say, the three categories in which this is divided. That is called, we can say, the one is the lower Paleolithic age. Right. Lower Paleolithic age, and second is called the you can say middle Paleolithic age, right? Second is called the middle Paleolithic age, and third is called, you can say, the upper Paleolithic age, right? Third is called the upper Paleolithic age. So accordingly, there are these three broad categories of the Paleolithic age: lower, middle, and we can say the upper Paleolithic ages, right? So first of all, we will discuss about the lower Paleolithic age, right? Lower Paleolithic age, right? Lower Paleolithic age, right? So with regard to this lower Paleolithic age, we can say, first of all, the period of occurrence of this, you can say, Paleolithic age, we will say, right? Period of occurrence of this Paleolithic age, right? So the Paleolithic age, you can say, occurred between the period, right? Approximately, you can say, 2 million years ago to, you can say, 60,000 years, right? So if I make, you can say here, a sort of the timeline like this, right? Sort of the timeline like this. So I would say from you can say from this 2 million years ago, right? From 2 million years ago up to 2 million years ago, right? And by A means million years ago, right? From 2 million years ago up to, we can say, 60,000 years ago, right? The Paleolithic age existed, right? Up to 60,000 years ago, the Paleolithic age existed, right? Paleolithic age existed 60,000 years ago, right? Paleolithic age existed. That means lower Paleolithic age existed. So this is there, right? So we can say this Paleolithic age was absent in some areas of India, right? The areas where this Paleolithic age was absent was not found, right? So that area or those areas are, we can say, further, we have taken it into three categories where this lower Paleolithic age was absent, right? So one area, that is the, we can say, Ganga Valley, where this Paleolithic age was absent, right? One is the Ganga Valley region where this Paleolithic age was absent, right? And second is, we can say, that is the southern Tamil Nadu, where this Paleolithic age was not found, where this Paleolithic age was absent, right? And third is called the, we can say, Western Ghats region. There also the Paleolithic age is not found, right? Any signs of the Paleolithic age are not there. So Western Ghats, right? So these are the three areas of India where the lower Paleolithic age was absent, where the lower Paleolithic age was absent, you can say, right? So why the lower Paleolithic age was absent in these regions? Why you can say, right, lower Paleolithic age was absent here, right? Paleolithic, you can say, why the lower Paleolithic age was absent there, right? So as far as the answer to this question is concerned, we can take here 2 3 points, right? So 1 point behind the absence of this lower Paleolithic age in these regions, that is the heavy rainfall in Western Ghats, right? Heavy rainfall in Western Ghats region, right? So heavy rainfall in Western Ghats region. So one is that point, right? In Western Ghats region. And the second is, we can say, that is the uncongenial conditions, right? Uncongenial conditions, that is the second thing. It means unfavorable conditions. The conditions are not, you can say, favorable to the life there, right? Like we can say the Ganga Valley region, if we talk about that, there were very dense forests and it was very difficult to, you can say, uh, you can say, make a good living there, right? So such type of things were there, right? And third is that perhaps they, right? Perhaps they did not feel, right? They did not feel need to, need to move, right? Need to move, you can say, elsewhere, because the population was small and their needs were, you can say, fulfilled in those areas where they were living. So that is why perhaps they, you can say, did not feel the need to move, you can say, away from the regions where they were living at that time, right? So these are the important reasons that why, you can say, that why this all happened, right? So why it was absent there in those regions, right? So as far as the areas or the regions where this civilization, or where this, we can say, culture was found, right? So we can say where found, right? uh, ये कहाँ पर पाया जाता था, right? Where found, right? So as far as the answer to this question is concerned, it was found mainly, you can say, in three important regions, right? So one region is, you can say, that is the Tamil Nadu area, right? Tamil Nadu region, right? Not the southern Tamil Nadu, right? The northern part of the Tamil Nadu, right? It was there. And as far as the second, you can say, is concerned, it was found in the Karnataka region, right? Karnataka region also. And as far as the third part is concerned, right? So it was found in the, you can say, Madhya Pradesh also, right? It was found in the Madhya Pradesh region also, right? It was found in the Madhya Pradesh region also, right? So you can say, in Tamil Nadu, if we talk about the, you can say, Tamil Nadu's case, right? So in Tamil Nadu, it was, you can say, mainly found in, you can say, the region which is just, you can say, south of Chennai, in the neighbor of Chennai, you can say, adjoining Chennai. That is called the, you can say, right, Palavaram, right? Palavaram. So Palavaram is just to the north, to the south of Chennai, right? Is adjoining Chennai, you can say. That is the there that part, right? Palavaram. And then, as far as the Karnataka is concerned, in Karnataka, it was found in this region, right? That is called the Hosangi Valley, Husangi, right? Hosangi Valley region. It was found there in Karnataka, right? Right. And as far as the Madhya Pradesh is concerned, it was found there in, you can say, Bhimbetka. This is very famous site of the Paleolithic age, right? Of the prehistoric age, right? So this means very important site. So these were the important sites where, you can say, this lower Paleolithic age was found, or their lower Paleolithic culture existed, right? So, next point is that which is, you can say, which I consider a very important point here, right? So that is we can say that who lived, right? Who lived in that age, right? उस एज में कौन लोग रहते थे? Who lived in that age, right? So who lived in that age? Basically, that is right. So as far as this is concerned, that who lived in that age, right? So वो लोग जो इस एज में रहते थे, right? So उन लोगों को हम बोलते हैं, right? Those are called the Homo erectus people, right? Homo erectus species, right? Homo erectus species की जो रहती, right? So अब क्वेश्चन है कि who are the Homo erectus, right? So now the question is that, right? So as far as the Homo erectus is concerned, right? So first is that they are known as the human ancestors. वो हमारे ancestors माने जाते हैं, right? So known as we can say human ancestors. So this is one important point. They are known as the human ancestors, right? So so because man की evolution हुई है, right? So you can say, so by this age, right? By this age, you can say loss of, right? Loss of, we can say loss of earlier tree climbing, earlier tree climbing, right? Earlier tree climbing adaptations were noticed, right? Were noticed. So this is an important point. Were noticed, right? So you can say these Homo erectus are you can say extinct now. This species is extinct now, right? They are extinct now. ये अब exist नहीं करते, right? They are extinct now, right? Extinct now, right? So we can say they are, right? They are the we can say earliest known, right? Earliest known species, right? Species to have, right? Earliest known species to have, we can say, human-like body proportions. To have human-like body proportions, right? Body proportions. So this is about the, we can say, Homo erectus people, that who are the Homo erectus ones, right? So they are the earliest known species to have human-like body proportions, right? So this is about the this, right? So it means the important, you can say, characteristics of this period, right? Important characteristic of this period is that you can say Homo erectus, right? Homo erectus existed, right, during this time, right? So Homo erectus existed during this time, right? So this is that period of the history when the Homo erectus existed, right? So इसको हम कहते हैं lower Paleolithic age, right? So LPA लिखता हूँ मैं. LPA means lower Paleolithic age, right? So this is the age when the, you can say, Homo erectus existed, right? So Homo erectus का जो main origin है, that is said to be in Africa, and from Africa they, you can say, spread, right, in various regions of the world. So this is, you can say, important to know, right? So the next thing is there, right? So this is there. The next is about the life of lower Paleolithic age, right? So we can say life in that period, right? Right? Life in lower Paleolithic age. So that is the life in that age, right? So उस एज में लाइफ कैसी थी? So that is another important question, right? लोग कैसे रहते थे, लाइफ कैसी थी, right? So this is the life in that age, right? So as far as the life is concerned, when we talk about the life, So firstly, we will talk about the, you can say, occupation of those people, right? Occupation of those people, right? As far as the occupation was concerned, they were, you can say, they were the hunters and gatherers, right? They were basically hunter gatherers, right? So they were basically hunter gatherers, right? They were not knowing the art of the, you can say, cultivation at that time, right? They were hunter gatherers mainly, right? So that was their main occupation, right? So you can say they lived on, right? They lived on. So किस चीज पे गुजारा करते थे means lived on means right. So they lived on, right? They lived on, you can say, fruits, you can say roots, fresh and bones, flesh and bones, right? So you can say those people lived on, lived on, right? So fruits and plant roots in, right? Fruits and plant roots, right? Fruits and plant roots. And then there was, you can say, right? So flesh and bones was the second thing on which they depend, right? So that is why there was this flesh and bones also, right? So this is the thing on which they live, right? And the next thing is that they live, where they lived, वो कहाँ रहते थे, right? So the next thing is that where they lived, वो कहाँ रहते थे, right? Where they lived. So as far as this question is concerned, that where they lived, right? So we can say they used to live in, you can say, either open air, right? ऐसे खुले आसमान में, either open air, one is that, right? Open air, and second is that either in the caves, right? Or they used to live in the caves, right? They used to live in the caves, right? And third is that, or they used to live in the rock shelters. या फिर वो rock shelters में रहते थे, right? Or they used to live in the, we can say, rock shelters, right? Rock shelters, right? Or they used to live there in the rock shelters, etc. Right? So this is about that, right? So the next thing is, you can say, as far as their communication is concerned, right? As far as the communication is concerned, right? So as far as the communication is concerned, right? So here we can say that the language was not developed. They used the sign language, right? So you can say they use the sign language. Here it is important to mention that they used sign language, right? Sign language, right? वो हमारी तरह बोल नहीं सकते थे, वो sign language use करते थे, right? So that is about the, you can say, lower Paleolithic age, right? So this is all about the lower Paleolithic age, you can say, right? So is it clear up to this point, beta? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, beta. So the next we are going to discuss now, that is about this, beta. You can say the middle Paleolithic age, right? That is about the, this we can say the middle Paleolithic age, right? So as far as this middle Paleolithic age is concerned, right? Middle Paleolithic culture, middle Paleolithic age, we can say anything, right? So you can say the period of this age is approximately, right? You can say 4 lakh years, right, from the present, right? So अगर हम इसके टाइम की बात करें, right, टाइमिंग की बात करें, right? If we talk about the time of this age, right, we can say it started, right? Started approximately 4 lakh years, right? 4 lakh years, right? You can say ago, right? YA means years ago, right? So it started about 4 lakh years ago. So this is here started approximately 4 lakh years ago, right? So then the next thing is as far as the India is concerned, right? So as far as the India is concerned, right? So in India, right, this culture in India, this culture we can say existed. In India, this culture existed between we can say 3,85,000 years ago till we can say for 40,000, right, till 40,000 BCE, right? So इंडिया में ये रहा है उसका 40,000 you can say BCE था इस पीरियड को हम मानते हैं, right? So this is the you can see the period of this culture in India, and the next thing is that the Homo erectus existed in this period also, right? So Homo erectus existed in this period also, right? Homo erectus means the ancestors of the modern humans, right? Homo erectus, right? So existed in this period also, existed in this period also, right? So इस period में भी Homo erectus पाए जाते थे, right? Existed in this period also, right? We can say the first site of this culture identified was right. First site means the first site that was excavated in our country, right? Not that is the oldest site of this culture. It does not mean, right? So the first site of this culture, right, was you can say identified on we can say, right? So Parvara River, right? Parvara River, right? At you can say at Nivasa, VASA, at Nivasa in Western Maharashtra. In Western Maharashtra. So it was found there. The first site of this culture was found there, right? So you can say, and the second important thing here, which needs to be mentioned, that is you can say, right? We can say, right? Homo sapiens evolved during this period. Homo sapiens evolved during this period, right? So इस period में Homo sapiens की evolution भी हो गई, right? So Homo sapiens evolved during this period, right? So Homo sapiens evolved during this period, right? So we can say this is an important thing, right? So this is basically Paleolithic culture, right? And Middle Paleolithic culture is this, right? So it means you can say this is the Middle Paleolithic culture, right? In which you can say Homo sapiens also evolved, right? So we are the Homo sapiens, So it means the modern human being evolved during this, right? So we are Homo sapiens. You must remember it, right? So the next thing is that important you can say Middle Paleolithic sites, right? So as far as the important Middle Paleolithic sites, right? So let me take here important sites of we can say Middle Paleolithic period, right? Middle Paleolithic culture, right? So important sites of this culture, this period, right? So as far as the important sites of this culture or this period are concerned, right? So here I would like to mention, right? So one is the you can say this culture existed in the following regions, right? One is you can say Namda Valley region, right? Namda Valley region, right? So Namda Valley region of India, right? So one is that. So ये वहाँ पर मिला, right? And after that, it was found in the, we can say, Godavari Valley region, right? It was found in Godavari Valley region, right? So Godavari Valley region, it was found there also, right? And apart from that, it was found in the, you can say, Krishna Valley region, right? It was found in Krishna Valley region, right? Krishna Valley region, right? And then it was found in, you can say, Yamuna, you can say, river area also, right? So Yamuna area also, right? Area of Yamuna also, right? So these were the areas where these people belonging to this, you can say, Middle Paleolithic culture lived, right? So as far as the next thing is that you can say life in Middle Paleolithic period, right? So you can say we are talking about the Middle Paleolithic culture or age, we can say, right? So as far as the Middle Paleolithic age is concerned, now we will study about the life during that period, right? How was the life during that period? कैसी लाइफ थी उस समय में, उस जमाने में, right? So this is an important point which we will discuss here, right? So as far as the life is concerned, so first thing is there, that is where do they live, right? Where do they live? वो कहाँ रहते थे, right? Where do they live? This is the first thing, right? वो कहाँ पर रहते थे? So here the answer is, you can say, they lived in open air like it was in the lower Paleolithic age, right? They lived in open air. This is the one point, right? And the second thing is that they lived in caves, they lived in rock shelters, right? So these are the areas where they lived, you can say, right? So they lived in caves and they lived in rock shelters, right? They lived in caves and they lived in rock shelters also as well, right? So they lived in rock shelters, right? Rock shelters also. So this is where basically, right, and they lived in rock shelters. So this is the thing, right? So in these areas they used to live, right? And as far as their occupation is concerned, same occupation, they were the hunter-gatherers, okay? So they were the hunter-gatherers, right? They were the hunter-gatherers, right? And say they were depending on the fruits, plant roots, flesh, bones, etc., etc., right? So they were living on that, right? So we can say now the next thing we will talk about, that is the characteristics of this period, main characteristics of this period, right? So as far as the features or the characteristics of this period is concerned, right? So characteristics, right? So we can say, right? So characteristics, right? So this is about the characteristics, right? So as far as the characteristics is concerned, the first characteristic is that because these people, you can say the Paleolithic people were using the tools made of the stone. That is why this age is called the Paleolithic age, right? Paleolithic, lithic means made of the lithic means stone, related to the stone, and that is why this age is known as the, you can say, lithic age, right? So it means in this age, the people used the tools made of the stone, right? Right, and you can see the reason behind the various cultures, right? In this particular, you can say, stone age, right? That is because of the, you can say, evolution of the technology of making the stone tools, right? So now here the main characteristic, right? The first characteristic we can say that we can say lithic tools or we can say stone tools, right, became smaller, right? Stone tools became smaller. पहले से छोटा साइज हो गया टूल्स का, पहले बड़े साइज के टूल्स होते थे because they were not knowing the technology, right? And second thing is we can say that the second thing is use of core preparation techniques, right? Use of core preparation techniques, right? Preparation techniques, right? So rock pieces use करते थे core preparation techniques in stone tool production, right? In stone tool production, right? So there was no advanced technology with them, right? The next is use of quarters as raw material. ये quarters को as raw material use करने लगे थे, right? Use of quarters as a raw material, ठीक है? So as far as the quartz is concerned, right? So quartz is a hard crystalline mineral, right? Quartz क्या होता है? It is a hard crystalline mineral, right? So quartz is a hard crystalline mineral. So it is that, right? It is a hard crystalline mineral that is called the quartz, right? So this was about the, you can say, middle Paleolithic age, right? So the important thing is that in this period, right, we can say there was the evolution of, we can say this, the Homo sapiens, right? So that is very important thing here, right? So यहाँ लिख देते हैं. So that is approximately the, we can say 40,000 BCE, right? 40,000 BCE हम लिख देते हैं. So this is the, right? So that means the important thing here is that in this period we saw the evolution of Homo sapiens, right? So this is the period, right? So in this period we saw the evolution of Homo sapiens, right? So evolution of Homo sapiens was seen, right? Homo sapiens means modern man का evolution देखा है, right? So ये एक important part हो गई इस period में, right? So the next thing is there. The next thing is that is the upper Paleolithic culture, right? The next point is the, we can say, upper Paleolithic culture. So there is the upper Paleolithic culture, right? Upper Paleolithic culture, right? So as far as this upper Paleolithic culture is concerned, right? Upper Paleolithic culture, right? So this the period of this culture, we can say, this age, right, was noticed between the period 40,000 to 10,000 years before present, right? 40,000 up to 10,000 years, right, before present roughly, right? Years before present. BP means before present. It was counted. So this is the main thing. This is about the existence of this culture, period of existence of this culture. So in this period, the one important thing which was noticed that was, right, one important thing which was noticed was that was innovative tool technology, right? अगर हम इस पीरियड में इनोवेटिव टूल टेक्नोलॉजी देखते हैं तो इट मीन्स देयर वाज, वी कैन से, increased cognitive ability, right? There was increased cognitive ability of, right, cognitive ability of the human beings. That was there. Increased cognitive ability was noticed, right, of the human beings, right? So this is there. So this is an important thing in this period, right? And the next thing is that you can say, um, as I have told you, that modern human beings evolved, right? Approximately, you can say, right? So many years ago, as we have talked here, right? So the next thing is that, right? So the modern human beings first we can say evolved into the sub-Saharan Africa, right? The modern human being, right? It is said about the modern human beings, which is the Homo sapiens, right? It is said that, right? It is said that the Homo sapiens, who are called the modern human beings, right? The Homo sapiens evolved in sub-Saharan Africa, right? Sub-Saharan Africa, about, right? About, we can say, 3 lakh years ago, about 3 lakh years ago, ago, but, but, right? They migrated to Asia, but they migrated to Asia about 60,000 years ago, right? About 60,000 years, right? So that is why this is the period that हम यहाँ इसको ऐसा कर देते हैं, instead of writing evolution, right? So we can say, right, evidence of modern human beings or Homo sapiens, right? So Homo sapiens की हमें यहाँ evidence मिलती है कि they were living in this age, right? So this is better to say, right? So the next thing is that, so it means the evolution of the Homo sapiens, right? That was around, you can say, 3 lakh years ago, where the Homo sapiens evolved. They evolved in the sub-Saharan region, and when they migrated to Asia, approximately, you can say, 60,000 years ago, right? And now, here is the point that we can say, when they entered, they replaced the, you can say, earlier populations in India, right? So on entering, they replaced the earlier populations in India. It is said, right? It is said that after coming to India, right, they replaced earlier population, right? They replaced earlier populations in India, right? India means, यहाँ जब हम इंडिया की बात करते हैं, तो we talk about the Pakistan region also, we talk about the Nepal also, we talk about the present Bangladesh also, we talk about Sri Lanka also. This entire region we will be talking about, right? So it is said that after coming to India, it means almost entire South Asia we are talking about, right? So it is said that after coming to India, they replaced the earlier population in India, right? So this is there, right? And this age saw the introduction of microliths. Micro means small, very small, right? So this is important here that this age saw the introduction of microliths, right? Saw the introduction of microliths. Microliths means tiny tools, very small tools, right? Microliths, right? Means very small tools, because the cognitive abilities were developed by this time, and some you can say, right? Some we can say, right? Innovation of technology also happened during this time. That is why they improved the, you can say, skill of making tools, or technology of making tools, right? And that is why from the large, you can say, okay, raw shaped tools, they you can say shifted to the microliths, right? Microliths, right? So the next is that the tools were made of silica. The tools were made of silica, right? The tools were made of silica, right? So this is also rock material, right? Was made of silica, were made of silica, rich raw materials, right? Silica rich raw material, which is known as the quartz as well, right? So we can say it quartz, right? So it was made of that, right? So this was also stone, right? So next here, the bone tools also appeared during this time, right? So we can say bone tools also appear, right? So bone tools were also noticed, right? Were also noticed, right? वो भी notice किए गए, right? कहाँ? In Kurnool caves, right? In Andhra Pradesh, Kurnool caves in Andhra Pradesh, right? So वहाँ पर इस पीरियड के कुछ हमें बोन टूल्स भी मिले, right? So bone tools भी मिले, right? So we can say now the next is some upper Paleolithic sites in India. That is there some upper Paleolithic sites in India, right? Some upper Paleolithic sites in India. भारत की कुछ upper Paleolithic sites हैं, वो कौन सी sites हैं? So we will talk about those now, right? So the one is that you can say, right, Karnataka. One is Karnataka. So the site is noticed in Karnataka also, right? So in Karnataka, the area, the site, right, which is noticed, you can say, that is, you can say, Meral Bhavi, Meralbhavi, Meral Bhavi, right? That is the site of this region, right? And after, you can say Karnataka, we can say the Andhra Pradesh, right? As far as the Andhra Pradesh is concerned, we have just talked that it was the Kurnool caves, right? Andhra Pradesh, it was the Kurnool caves there, right? Andhra Pradesh, it was the Kurnool caves there, right? Kurnool caves there, you can say, right? Caves, it was the Kurnool caves there, right? So Kurnool caves was there. So this is there, right? So next in Telangana, right, in Telangana region, in Telangana, it was founded in Telangana also, right? As far as Telangana is concerned, right? So the region where it is, where this culture was found, that is called the Godavari Khani, right? Godavari Khani, right? So that is there, right, in this region. And next is Maharashtra. So it was found in Maharashtra also, right? It was found in Maharashtra also, right? So as far as Maharashtra is concerned, so this was found in the region you can see that is called the Patni, Patne, Patni, right? So Patni is the region where it was found, right? And these are the various regions in the present India where this culture was, you can say, found at that time, right? And the next thing, the next feature of this period, we can say that is they, right? There is evidence of use of, right? Use of, we can say, right, ostrich eggs, right? So ostrich eggs were used in that time, right? So we can say uh, these were used for, you can say, right? These are used as beads, etc., right? So these have been found somewhere, right? So that is there, right? So ये कहाँ मिले? These were found in, we can say, Jwalapuram in Andhra Pradesh, right? इस period के जो Jwalapuram in Andhra Pradesh, right? And the second thing is that is, you can say, Patni in Maharashtra, right? So in those regions, it was used, and then there is Bhimbetika, right? Bhimbetika in, we can say, Madhya Pradesh, right? Bhimbetika in Madhya Pradesh, right? So this is there, right? So in these areas, you can say it was mainly, you can say, found, right? So the next thing is that characteristics of this period, right? So as far as the characteristics of this period is concerned, right? Characteristics of this period, right? So as far as the characteristics of this period is concerned, right? So we would like to say about the characteristics, right? Talk about the characteristics. So one thing there which was important, right? That is, you can say, paintings, beads, and ornaments appear. Paintings, beads, and ornaments appear, right? And ornaments appear, right? So this is the first thing in this period, right? And you can say green color paintings, some green color paintings have been found, color paintings, right? Have been found, you can say, at right, Bhimbetka, Bhimbetka. So some such things have been found there at that place, right? So this is about the Upper Paleolithic culture, Upper Paleolithic age, right? So we can see broadly, if we see that the Upper Paleolithic sites were in the peninsular India, right? Uh, right. So up to Bhimbetka mainly, right? And up to the from Bhimbetka up to Tamil Nadu, we can say between Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, it was the main concentration of the Paleolithic sites, right? So Paleolithic site started with the, you can say, Homo erectus species, right? And by the end of the this, you can say, this this you can say, right? Uh, this Paleolithic age, right? The Homo sapiens appears, right? The Homo sapiens appears, but the life still was not settled. Animals were not domesticated. Technology of agriculture was not known to them. Yes, one thing was there, the technology of making tools was developed during this time, and by the, you can say, uh, we can say towards the upper Paleolithic age, right? They started making the microliths also, right? They started making the microliths also, right? So in nutshell, we can say there about this, right? So, right. So we can say in this period, as far as this third period is concerned, in this period, man developed the cognitive skills. One thing is that, right? And apart from the cognitive skills, we can say that, right? Apart from the cognitive skills, we can say the man, uh, right? You, you can say developed the painting skills also, right? In this period, right? So this about the Upper Paleolithic age, which we are talking about, right? Upper Paleolithic age. So the next thing is the next age which comes after the Paleolithic age, that will come the Mesolithic age, right? Mesolithic age, right? So that is, we can say, the Mesolithic age, right? So that is the Mesolithic age, right? So as far as the Mesolithic age is concerned, this is the Middle Stone Age, as we have talked about here, right? So this is known as the मिडिल स्टोन एज, राइट, इसको हम कहते हैं कि ये हमारी मिडिल स्टोन एज है, राइट, दिस इज द मिडिल स्टोन एज, you can see it like this. So middle stone age, this is known as like this, right? So middle stone age, ये हमारी middle stone age होगी, right? So as far as the Mesolithic age is concerned, right? So life started evolving, right? So we can say life started spreading, or humans start spreading, right? Right? Humans, it is better to say, right? So humans started spreading in diverse ecozones, right? In diverse ecozones in various parts of India, in various parts of India. So Paleolithic age was, you can say, limited to or restricted to certain area, but in this area, the human beings were seen, have been noticed living in different ecozones, right? So different ecozones. So what are those different ecozones where the people at that time lived, right? So we can say that they were found living in the hills. One is that, right? Living in the hills. They were found living in the sand dunes also, right? So they were found living in the rock shelters also, right? Rock shelters also. And you can say they were found living in the delta regions also, right? Delta regions also, the delta region of the rivers, we can say. And right, you can say they can be, they were found living in the lake areas also, right? Lake regions also. And they have been found living in the forested regions also, right, in the forested regions also, and they have been found living in the coastal environments also, right? So जैसे जैसे ह्यूमन बीइंग की कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटी डेवलप होती गई, वैसे वैसे ह्यूमन बीइंग डाइवर्स इकोजोन्स में उसने अपना रहना स्टार्ट कर दिया, क्योंकि ड्यू टू हिज कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटी ही वाज एबल टू address the various problems, right, emerging in different ecozones. So that is why uh, uh, this you can say helped man to spread elsewhere also, right? So next है कि you can say the Mesolithic sites are found in India, right? So we can say that Mesolithic sites are found in India. Mesolithic site भारत में कहाँ कहाँ मिली, right? Mesolithic sites are found in India, right? कहाँ कहाँ मिली, कहाँ कहाँ पाई गई जो Mesolithic sites थी, right? So इसमें first of all, right? So I will say, right, that is in Bihar, right? In Bihar. So Bihar में mainly वो place है that is called the PAISR, PESA, right? Paisara. And next is we can say Gujarat, right? And as far as Gujarat is concerned, the place, the area is, you can say, Langnaj, right? Langnaj region of Gujarat. And as far as the UP, Uttar Pradesh is concerned, right? So this culture was found in, right? You can say Sarai Nahar Rai, right? Sarai Nahar Rai, right? Then Bakur, that is the reason, and then Mando, right? So these are the some areas where it was found in UP, even, right? And after UP, you can say it was found in Karnataka also, right? It was found in Karnataka also, right? So as far as the Karnataka is concerned, right? It was found in, you can say, San Kanakalu, right? Kanakalu, right? San Kanakalu. So it was found in there, we can say, sorry, right, found there in Karnataka. And after that, in Madhya Pradesh, it was found in Bhimbetka, right? In Madhya Pradesh, it was found in Bhimbetka, right? Then you can say in Maharashtra, right? It was found around Mumbai in coastal region, you can say, right? Around Mumbai in coastal region, right? And next in Tamil Nadu, right? So in Tamil Nadu, right? Tamil Nadu, you can say, right? It was found in, right? We can say, right? So uh, uh, that is TH, right? Double O THU, right? So we can say, right? Thuthukudi, right? So it was found there also, right? And then as far as the Andhra Pradesh is concerned, right? So it was found in, you can say, Visakhapatnam region, right? Visakhapatnam region. So these are the some areas where this culture, you can say, flourished, where this culture was noticed, you can say, during that time, right? So this is the period when the end of the ice age was there, right? So ice age का end हो गया था इस period में. So global warming का start हो गया था, right? So we can say that is why, as far as the climate of this region is concerned, right? So in this region, right? So monsoon climate has emerged, right? So monsoon climate has already emerged, right? So monsoon climate emergence, so it is said that, right? And then freshwater lakes, right? Freshwater lakes of Didwana, Didwana, Didwana in western Rajasthan, right? In western Rajasthan, right? In western Rajasthan existed between 10,000, existed between, you can say, 10,000, right? And 3,500 years ago, right? 3,500 years ago, right? Years ago, right? So वो वहाँ डिडवाना फेमस है राजस्थान में, याद रखना ये वेस्टर्न राजस्थान में एग्जिस्ट करता है, राइट? नेक्स्ट है, यू कैन सी animals bones suggest that, right? So we can say animal bones, right? So animal, right, bones, we can say suggest that, right? Animal bones suggest that there was a there was a, we can say, dry deciduous, right? Dry deciduous type of climate, कि वैसा climate था उस टाइम पे, right? So now let us talk little about this, you can say, dry deciduous type climate at that time, right? So what are the characteristics of the dry deciduous type climate, right? So as far as the dry deciduous type climate, you can say it is found in areas, it is found in, we can say, areas having rainfall, right? Having rainfall between, we can say, 75 to 100 centimeters, right? So वो areas होते हैं जहाँ 75 से 100 सेंटीमीटर के बीच में रेनफॉल रहता है, right? And it is found in, we can say, peninsular India, right? Peninsular India, you can say, and plains of UP and Bihar also, right? Plains of UP and Bihar also, right? So ऐसे climate जहाँ पाए जाते हैं, right, in those areas, There we found the teak, sal, people, right? People, neem, such type of trees are found here, right? Neem, etc. are found here. So ये dry deciduous होता है, right? During the dry period, right? The trees shed their leaves. So ये रहता है, right? So then we can say life in this Mesolithic period, right? So as far as the life in the Mesolithic period is concerned, right? So now we will talk about the life in this period. Life कैसी थी इस period की, right? So as far as the life is concerned, we can say that, right? As far as the life is concerned, we can say here an important thing that, right? So it was the pre-agriculture age, means agriculture cultivation was not yet started even during this time, right? It was the pre-agriculture age, right? So it appeared into India, right? Appeared into India around, we can say, 10,000 BCE. इस समय में ये इंडिया में अपीयर हुई, जो ये एज थी, जो ये कल्चर था, इस समय में अपीयर हुआ इंडिया में, राइट? एंड नेक्स्ट इज वी कैन से it appeared, right, in, we can say, in certain parts, right? In it appeared in you can say different areas of India, as we have already discussed, right? In different areas of India, but in certain parts, but in certain parts of India, right? We can say it lasted, right? It lasted, you can say, up to 1000 BCE. It means इंडस वैली के फॉल होने के बाद तक ही ये रहा कल्चर, right? Up to 1000 BCE, right? Till the beginning of the Iron Age, right? So till the beginning of the Iron Age, right? Of the Iron Age, we can say, right? So you can say there are some sites in Kerala, some sites in Tamil Nadu, where these cultures, you can say, remained till 1000 BCE, right? Some sites in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, right? In Kerala and Tamil Nadu have been noticed, where these cultures in Tamil Nadu have been noticed, right? Have been identified, you can say, where these cultures remained, right? Remained till 1000 BCE, right? तब तक रहा, कुछ एरिया ऐसे थे जहाँ तब तक रहा, right? So now the next thing is regarding the occupation of those people, right? As far as the occupation of those people is concerned, right? Occupation. So regarding occupation, again we would like to say here that those people who are, you can say, hunter gatherers, फिशिंग करते थे, राइट? सो ऑक्यूपेशन में हम लिखेंगे हंटिंग था, गैदरिंग था एंड फिशिंग था, राइट? हंटिंग, गैदरिंग, फिशिंग वगैरह था, राइट? सो दैट वाज देयर, राइट? सो दिस हैज बीन एविडेंस्ड फ्रॉम सम रॉक पेंटिंग्स इन सेंट्रल इंडिया, जो उनका ये ऑक्यूपेशन था, राइट? दिस हैज बीन एविडेंस्ड बाय, right? Evidenced or witnessed by, we can say, right? Witnessed by some rock paintings, right? Witnessed by some rock paintings in, we can say, Central India, right? Rock paintings in Central India. So उस टाइम में हम इसको देखते हैं, right? So next है कि agriculture was not practiced, right? Agriculture was not practiced. थोड़ा बहुत अगर towards the end of the age अगर कुछ हो तो कुछ कह नहीं सकते, लेकिन overall agriculture was not practiced, right? So we can say agriculture was not practiced, right? Was not practiced, right? But there is one important thing that domestication of animals started during this, right? So domestication of animals started during this period, right? तो बेटा ये आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, ये बेटा आपको एक टेबल बनाना है, ऐसी चीजें पूछते हैं एग्जामिनेशन के अंदर, राइट? सो जैसे हम अभी बात कर रहे थे कि स्टोन एज के अंदर अगर हम इसमें लोअर स्टोन एज की बात करते थे, राइट? सो लोअर स्टोन एज में क्या था बेटा? होमो इरेक्टस थे, हमने बात की थी, ठीक है? लोअर लोअर स्टोन एज के बाद फिर हमारा आया था, यू कैन से, अपना जो मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक एज थी, राइट? सो मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक एज थी, जो लोअर पैलियोलिथिक एज के बाद मिडिल पैलियोलिथिक एज में हमने क्या देखा कि होमो सेपियंस वर, यू कैन से, फाउंड इन इंडिया, right? So Homo sapiens arrived in India, we can say. That was the middle Paleolithic part, right? Modern man arrived in India, right, during this. And उसके बाद बेटा फिर हमने देखा था what upper Paleolithic culture, right? So as far as the upper Paleolithic culture was said, during that time, man, you can say, developed the cognitive abilities, right? Cognitive abilities, and you can say some, you can say, right, innovations of technology were made, microliths introduced during that time, right? And apart from that, during that time, the evidences of the rock paintings have also been find, found, right? So that was there, right? So as far as the Mesolithic culture is concerned, which is after the Paleolithic age, right? Mesolithic culture is concerned. So in the Neolithic age, we can say, right? Sorry, in this Mesolithic age, in Mesolithic age, domestication of animals started. That is one important point, right? Domesticated of animals, and use of fire also started during this, right? So domestication of animals and use of fire was also started during this time, right? So, so this is there, right? So the next thing we will, you can say, do here, that is you can say, right? So paintings at, you can say, right, Bhimbetika, BHIMBETK, right? Paintings at Bhimbetika uh, show that, right? Show that men and women, show that men and women went together for hunting. We went together for hunting, right? For hunting. एक साथ जाते थे वो hunting के लिए. So ये भी कुछ evidences हमें मिली है, right? So and during this time, there was the, you can say, use of fire for cooking or roasting food, right? Use of fire for cooking or roasting food. So that also started there during this period, roasting food. Right? That also started during this period, right? So you can say domesticated animals. हमने कहा ना कि domestication of animals start हो गई थी. So फिर domesticated animals कौन थे? Right? Domesticated animals include, right? Domesticated animals include, right? So if we talk about those domesticated animals, right? So that is the cattle among the domesticated animals. It is the sheep, right? There are the goats, we can say, right? Goats. Pig was also domesticated during that time. Dog was also domesticated during that time, right? And you can say there are the evidences of the use of camel also, right? You can see in Carnival region of Gujarat, right? In Carnival, Kaneval, right? Carnival region in Gujarat, right? ये अब बेटा आनंद डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है जो कार्निवल रीजन में गुजरात, राइट? सो ये है, so this was some, you can say, you can say uh, uh, evidences that the animals were domesticated, right? So these animals were domesticated during that age. Right? So the next thing is that you can say, right? So as far as their living is concerned, they were we can say highly mobile people. वो बहुत मोबाइल थे, घूमते रहते थे, right? They were highly mobile, right? Mobile people keep on moving in search of, right? Keep on moving in search of. They kept on moving, right? Kept on moving in search of, right? We can say animals and plant food. Okay, main तो problem food की ही होती थी, right? Animal and plant food, right? So that is there, right? So they lived in temporary huts, right? They lived in temporary huts, means semi-permanent huts, we can say, right? They lived in temporary, right? Temporary or semi-permanent huts, right? Semi-permanent huts में रहते थे वो, right? Caves में रहते थे और वो रॉक शेल्टर्स में रहते थे, वही जो पहले था, और रॉक शेल्टर्स में रहते थे, right? So that is there, right? So you can say they may be living in the in you can say, right, circular huts, right? They may be living in circular huts, we can say, right? So circular shapes की huts होती थी, in circular huts, right? In circular huts, right? So that was there, right? And the next thing was that, right? So they used to bury their dead, right? वो dead bodies को दफनाते थे, their dead, right? Uh, so that was there, right? So because of it is evidenced, right? It is witnessed by some human skeletons, right? Some human skeletons we can say found in यूपी, कुछ प्लेसेस थे हमें यूपी में हमें कुछ ह्यूमन स्केलेटन्स मिले हैं, राइट? सो ये यहाँ तक हमने किया है, राइट? अब बेटा मैं यहाँ एक क्वेश्चन दूंगा, द क्वेश्चन which can be you can say which type of question can be asked to you in the examination, just to give some exposure, right? So the question can be beta, what is common between the Mesolithic man, right? Between the Mesolithic man and the present age man, right? And the present age man. So हमारे बीच में और Mesolithic टाइम के जो लोग थे उनमें क्या कॉमन था, right? So first statement can be written, you can say BU practice of medicine, practice of right burying the dead. One is that, right? So second is we can say domestication of animals, right? Domestication of animals. And the third can be after, right? So practice of agriculture, right? Practice of agriculture. And the fourth can be after, right? That is living, right? Living in permanent houses, right? Living in permanent houses. So these are the four, you can say, uh, you can say, right? Points are given. So in first, let's suppose there is two only, right? And as far as the second is concerned, B is concerned, right? So let's suppose there is one and two only, right? One and two only. And as far as this, we can say is concerned, let's suppose there is a 1, 3, and 4 only, right? And as far as the fourth is concerned, right, let me take here 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So let's suppose these are the four options. So what was the common between the present man and that of the man of that time, right? What was common?
1 and 2, sir. Practice of burying the dead and domestication.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, 1 and 2.
Yes, yes, yes. Because beta in Mesolithic age, agriculture was not practiced in Mesolithic age. Living in permanent houses was not there yet introduced, right? So that is why the first two were there in practice. So that is why we can say that this was the common between the Mesolithic man and the present age man, right? So such type of question can be asked, right? So this is a good question for that. And similarly, in you can say in the uh, in the prehistoric times, you can say, right? So Bhimbetka is very common name. It's very famous name, right? It's very commonly used name. So the question can be asked that, right? Prehistoric site, right? Bhimbetka, right? In Madhya Pradesh, in today's Madhya Pradesh, right? Madhya Pradesh is नियरेस्ट टू कि इनमें से कौन सी प्लेस के सबसे नजदीक होगी, राइट? सो वन इज भोपाल, राइट? सो सेकंड इज वी कैन से दैट इज द जबलपुर, राइट? सो थर्ड इज वी कैन से दैट इज इंदौर, एंड द फोर्थ इज वी कैन से दैट इज उज्जैन, राइट? किसी को आइडिया है? भोपाल, जबलपुर, इंदौर.
Sir, I think
What? Pardon? I'm not getting you.
Jabalpur, I think, sir.
Okay, Jabalpur. Okay. Anybody else? Beta, it was nearest to this Bhopal, right? Hardly 55-60 kilometers away from Bhopal.
Okay, sir.
So it is nearest to Bhopal, right? So such type of questions are important, can be asked, right? These are not given in any history book. So that is why this all depends on your observation. So when you study history, it is your duty to keep the atlas along with you, right? Atlas, or otherwise raise the questions and try to find their answers also, right? So next that you can say rock paintings, right? Rock paintings of that time, rock paintings of that time, right? Existed at उस समय की रॉक पेंटिंग थी जो वो कहाँ थी, राइट? सो वन इज यू कैन से इट वाज फाउंड एट Bhimbetka, right? And second is it was founded, you can say Raisen, Raisen, and third is it was founded, you can say Panchmali. Right? So all the three areas are in Madhya Pradesh, right? And fourth is we can say that was in Mirzapur in UP, right? So first three were in Madhya Pradesh and Mirzapur in UP. Oh, sorry, Mirapur. Mirzapur is found. It was in Mirapur in UP, right? So that is basically, right? So in this period, you can say Iron Rich, right? Iron Rich, right? We can say uh, Iron Rich ore, right? So Iron Rich stone, you can say, right? Iron Rich stone, that is called the hematite, right? Hematite, right? Hematite has been found. इस टाइम में ये भी पाया गया है कि उस समय आयरन रिच stones there three, right? So beta basically now the common question, right, which is there, right? So the question can be asked that, or this is for your knowledge, for right? So there are iron ores, and there are different types of iron ore. One type of iron ore we can say that is the magnetite, right? Second type of iron ore we can say that is hematite, right? Hematite, which we have just talked about. And the third type of iron ore we can say that is the geothite, right? Geothite. And fourth type of iron ore that is limonite, you can say. And the fifth type of iron ore, right? That is we can say siderite, 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 right? सो बेटा ये जो इतनी किस्म की जो मैंने आयरन और यहाँ मेंशन की है, इनमें से बेटा यू कैन से राइट, सो सबसे ज्यादा जो आयरन कंटेंट है वो बेटा इसमें पाया जाता है मैग्नेटाइट में। ये आपको याद रखना है। ये ऐसे क्वेश्चन यूपीएससी भले ना पूछे, लेकिन स्टेट के जो होते हैं एग्जामिनेशन, वहाँ ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ लेते हैं, राइट? सो इसमें 69.9%। आपको ये नहीं जानना कि इसमें कितना पाया जा रहा है, सिंपली इनका आपको ऑर्डर जानना है कि किसमें ज्यादा है किसमें कम है, राइट? सो इसमें ये होता है, एंड इसमें अप्रोक्सीमेटली 62.9% ऑन एवरेज पाया जाता है, राइट? और ये जो हमारा लेमोनाइट है, राइट, लेमोनाइट में अप्रोक्सीमेटली 55% पाया जाता है, राइट? और सबसे कम जो साइडराइट में पाया जाता है, that is you can say 48% approximately, right? So this is the order. This is important for your examination also. 48.2% कहते हैं। So अगर हम बात करें कि सबसे रिच जो आयरन ओर होती है, जिसमें आयरन कंटेंट ज्यादा मिलता है, वो कौन सी आयरन ओर है? वो मैग्नेटाइट है, राइट? एंड सबसे पुअर है, जिसमें आयरन कंटेंट सबसे कम मिलता है, वो कौन सी है? साइडराइट, राइट? So this is important to bear in mind, बेटा, right? So that is it, right? So basically क्या है? So Mesolithic age के ये माना जाता है कि many such people of Mesolithic age, right? Many such people belonging to Mesolithic age, right? You can say live in present also, right? They have been noticed to be found living in the 19th and 20th century, right? And even in present also, right? Basically, क्या है कि the persons, the human beings, right? The persons basically, or the species, individuals who are living, right? The individuals, right? Whom we say, right? We can say primitive, right? Primitive. हम ये लफ्ज हम अक्सर यूज कर लेते हैं। बेसिकली जो प्रिमिटिव लफ्ज है वो हम होमो इरेक्टस के लिए यूज करते थे, राइट? प्रिमिटिव, right? The individuals whom we say primitive, right? They are actually, right? They are actually the people belonging to this age, right? So they are actually not primitives, right? They are actually not primitives, right? Primitives. They are human beings, right? They are human beings belonging to the Mesolithic age, right? Belonging to the Mesolithic age, we can say, right? Mesolithic age, right? And they prefer, right? Mesolithic age, right? You can say they prefer to live on hunting and gathering. They prefer to live on hunting and gathering even today also. Live on hunting and gathering, right? Even today also. So even today also, right? So इसमें अगर हम बेटा कुछ एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं या हम कुछ बात करते हैं कि वो कौन लोग हैं, राइट? देयर आर certain, you can say, right, people living in forests in, you can say तमिलनाडु में हमें कुछ ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे, राइट? यू आर microlithic hunter gatherers, right? In Tamil Nadu, we can find such some tribes also, right? And in Andaman and Nicobar, right? We can find such people. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, right? We can find such people, right? So, so beta, this is there, right? So, आज की डेट में हमें अंडमान निकोबार में जो हम एक दो ट्राइब्स देखते हैं जिनको हम प्रिमिटिव ट्राइब्स बोलते हैं, राइट? वो बेसिकली मेसोलिथिक एज के लोग हैं, जो लोग अवॉइड करते हैं अभी परमानेंट सेटलिंग्स में, और अभी यू कैन से इसमें जो कल्टीवेशन, एग्रीकल्चर और other occupation, right? So they prefer to live on the hunting and gathering even today also, even in this age also, right? So that is this. So next is we can say the characteristics of Mesolithic culture, right? So next is the characteristics of Mesolithic culture, right? Characteristics of Mesolithic culture. Right. So as far as the characteristics of Mesolithic culture is concerned, right? So इसमें हम एक तो जो कुछ इनकी characteristics की हम बात करते हैं, दो चार characteristics हैं जो one is you can see they lived in semi-permanent or temporary, right? Semi-permanent or temporary settlements, right? Temporary settlements or houses, that was there, right? Next, they occupied caves and open grounds for living. Caves and open grounds for living. Right, caves and open grounds for living. वो open grounds में caves में रहते थे. That was there, right? So next was they, you can say, right, they buried their dead. वो अपनी dead bodies को दफनाते थे. That was there, right? Next है they had artistic skills, right? They had artistic skills also. That is important point, right? Artistic skills. Next है they spread over, you can say, wider geographic region in India, right? Wider geographic region in India, right? And next, okay, microlithic tools, right? Help them to hunt, right? Help them to hunt smaller animals and birds also. Smaller animals and birds also, right? Smaller animals and birds also, right? So ये है basically, right, Mesolithic age के बारे में, right? So we can say, so अगर हम Mesolithic age की बात करें तो हम Mesolithic age में हमने दो तीन चीजें जो अडॉप्ट की थी. नंबर वन इज हमें एनिमल्स की डोमेस्टिकेशन स्टार्ट हुई एंड फायर का यूज स्टार्ट हुआ, राइट? इसमें ये सब चीजें स्टार्ट हुई थी, really, right? And then you can say artistic skills develop हुई क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी थोड़ी और एडवांस लेवल पे चली गई इन लोगों की, राइट? बिकॉज धीरे धीरे एवोल्यूशन होती गई, कॉग्निटिव स्किल्स की एवोल्यूशन आल्सो होती थी, right? So this was about this, right? So this is about today's lecture, Mesolithic age and Paleolithic age, right? So Neolithic age is comparatively faster. So we will take it tomorrow. Yes, right tomorrow from schooling. So, so Beta, one more thing there, right? So this is about this.